Hi, my exotic stars. I just want to tell you my confidence in Exotic Lead Organic is amazing because they do great formulation and tap all the nutrients that you get in our materials to come up with the products. Materials can be plants, roots, barks, goat milk as it is, whatever helps us to get the right nutrition for you. I'm going to talk about rosemary oil. We have two types of rosemary oils. Like I say, there is rosemary essential oil, which is totally different from rosemary oil. Rosemary oil, we manage to get out all the nutrients that is needed by your cells in the body, depending with what we want, the benefits we want to get, the functions we want this oil to play in our body. Rosemary oil stimulates hair growth. There are people who've always asked me, sasa niko na kipara, I have a bald head, is it possible for my hair to grow? Let me tell you one thing. When your hair follicles are out, we can't do any miracles when you have a shiny bald head. Maybe you do a hair transplant. Ukweli too, same way. Because sometimes even the ladies who are doing wigs and tightening their hair when they're plaiting, their hair follicles are pulled out. So you find it's very, very hard, or it's not possible to try activate hair growth, because whatever holds that house, let me call it a house, that house that holds the hair shaft for it to grow is not there anymore. So if you have hair and it's thinning because of lack of nutrients, it's possible to activate that and make your hair become voluminous again. Reduces hair fall for somebody, like I mentioned, probably their hair is very thin and it just needs the necessary nutrients for it to grow. Helps reduce scalp inflammation. Most of the time we have inflammation because probably you have some infection on your hair follicles, and that's what causes inflammation. So rosemary also acts as an antibacterial, antiviral, and it kills the radicals that are causing those diseases in the body. Stimulates the blood supply to hair so that your hair grows, and soothes the fine lines. Do you know when you apply it on your skin, it also soothes out the fine lines, hence someone looking younger. And when you apply rosemary oil also, and you're somewhere outside and you might be bitten by mosquitoes, the mosquitoes don't like the smell of rosemary. So don't worry, you won't be bitten by them. It combats acne. Somebody who has acne issues, you're getting pimples here, there, you don't know what the cause is. What it does, it acts like I don't want to say an antiseptic. It sterilizes an acne wound and helps combat acne or need spreading on your skin. It tightens your skin, hence looking younger. It reduces the lines you get on your eyes. Most of the time people end up buying eye cream to reduce wrinkles if they're getting wrinkled around their eye area. So rosemary oil plays a very, very good role. It reduces cellulite. So with time, when you massage rosemary oil on your skin, the cellulite wears off with time. I've also used it on a patient who had a burn, and it helps the multiplication of skin cells, hence healing very fast from burns. So like I told you, my exotic stars, Mimi, I just want you to be in good, perfect health. And good, perfect health gives you longevity. We don't have to work so hard, and then all the money we work hard for all goes to our health. Why? When you go to hospital and you have issues and you have these crazy bills, that money you're supposed to use it for other things, for investment, for fun, for what you feel is more valuable in your life. So let's keep healthy. Let's live a preventive lifestyle, and we'll be happy to meet you one time if you're using the product and it's been helpful to your life. So exotic stars, your health is my concern. I care and love you.